Let it all go. 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 Let it You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo.
Until I go black, you gonna say I take ganja all the time. Pass me the ganja, give me brown Rizla. Pass me the ganja, let me up so high. Take me over the clouds so high. Fly me up so high. Till I find myself talking with the most high. Some things in me, I don't in my world. But you see the goal, live on, just see like that. I start to like I know what to do, mama. Some them take me for a fool. I will until I go black. You gonna say I take ganja all the time. Pass me the ganja, give me brown Rizla. Pass me the ganja, let me up so high. Take me over the clouds so high. Fly me up so high. Till I find myself talking with the most high. Some things in me, I don't in my world. But you see the goal, live on, just see like that. I start to like I know what to do, mama. Some them take me for a fool. I will
So I just finished cutting my peppers and cucumber. I do not have any tomatoes or parsley, so I'm just working with what I have. I do have this vegetable mix for couscous. I am not a fan of canned vegetables, but I have this in my pantry, so I'm going to use it. In the vegetable mix, they have chickpeas, turnips, green zucchinis, tomatoes, carrots, peas, and red peppers. So I'm going to open the can. Let's do that right now. Let me wash the top. I'm gonna open. Ew. Ugh. Look at this. See? Ugh. I'm just gonna throw it in here. What the hell? This is giving tomato soup type of vibes. After opening 2 cans of that couscous veggie mix, this is what I got. My Shayla.
Oh my God. Oh my God. My Shayla.
Y'all been playing in my face, okay? But anyways, we're gonna use it regardless. So yeah, I already cooked the couscous, and this is what it's looking like. Fluffy. I'm gonna transfer the chickpeas. Not the chickpeas. I'm gonna transfer the couscous in this bowl. So fluffy, y'all. Don't play with me. Look at this. You cannot tell me this is not cooked to perfection. So how I cook my couscous, I just put some vegetable broth, or if I don't have vegetable broth, I just put chicken bouillon in the water and just put my couscous in there and make it cook. I'm now gonna add the chickpeas, cucumber, and peppers. You can add onion and parsley, but I do not like onions like that, and I honestly do not have parsley, so maybe I'll just add some parsley flakes. Now I'm gonna make the dressing for the couscous salad. I did mince up some garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. Gonna add it. I'm gonna use some balsamic vinegar, olive oil, some lemon juice. I just hope this is not acidic. Dijon mustard. I love mustard. I'm gonna add some maple syrup in there. And black pepper and salt to taste. I'm gonna shake that up. This is my first time making this dressing, so I just hope that it tastes good, y'all. Jeez, let's see. Yup. What? This tastes so good. Oh my god. It is really good. I was so scared, y'all. I really thought it was gonna be so acidic, but it's not. It tastes so good. I'll put the recipe down below, so if you guys want to try it, you guys can. So we're gonna put this aside, and I have some feta cheese in here. We're gonna break that up. chicken. I made a whole chicken. It is sweet chili jerk. And I'm gonna go eat, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
I guess you don't know where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I can't get to let you know. Gotta thank for you, and I can't let go.
She said she love me, but I know that's tequila talk. I gave her everything I had now. I'm off and I be thinking to myself, girl, I miss you, but I can't tell. There's times that I wanna call you, put my pride to the side for you. But you tryna play with me, I'ma get money regardless. You know I be staying 10 toes on my mind, doing what I can to grind. One day, yeah, we all gon' die, but I'm staying up to shine. Big shimmy, I didn't know my name.
Alright guys, so I am so sick. Both me and my son is sick. I have some squash that I put to boil, and I'm just gonna mash them out.
This may come with some surprise, but I miss you. I can see through all of your lies, but still I miss you. It takes a love, but it doesn't feel like mine. It tastes a kiss, kisses on mine, they're not mine.
So now I'm gonna add my green banana. The carrots, I'm gonna leave it for last because when it comes to my veggies, I actually like it still crunchy. That's just me. I hate soft vegetables in anything that I'm cooking. I still have to have the crunch. So I'm just gonna put the banana so it can cook. I also gonna season the pot. So I'm gonna add the seasoning and I'm just gonna let everything cook, and then when it's halfway done, I'm gonna add the carrots. Okay, my soup is ready. So my soup looks so good.